Hi, family detectives, mission 6. What did they all do? This is one of my favourite missions because occupations bring ancestors to life in a way that names and dates alone never can. Now, think of some of the jobs your ancestors might have done. Agricultural labourers working in the land, domestic servants, often living in the households they worked for, miners, teachers, railway workers, shopkeepers, soldiers. Each occupation tells you something about daily life, how hard they worked, where they might have lived, even how much they earned. A domestic servant's census entry might show you the grand house they lived in, or the much smaller house they lived in. A railway worker might have moved from the country for their job. They might move around the country for their job, which explains why your family suddenly appears in a different town. Occupations often run in families too, sons following fathers into the same trade for generations, which can be a brilliant clue when you're trying to confirm you've found the right family. Now, your mission, find the oldest occupation you can in your family tree. It might be sitting right there in a census or birth certificate you've already found. I'd love to know what's the most interesting job you've discovered so far. This is always one of my favourite discussions. So please do share it in the comments and reply to this email. Happy researching. See you in week 3.